Good afternoon, dear students. So, today we will discuss about the important steps of research process. As you know, research is a scientific and systematic process. It follows certain steps. What are those steps by which we can conduct a research in a proper way, in a scientific way? So, there are 7 steps. The first one is define research problem, second one is review of related literature, third is formulation of hypothesis, fourth is preparing the research design, fifth is data collection, sixth is data analysis, and seventh is interpretation and report writing. We will discuss today one by one. So the first one is define research problem. This is the first steps of a research process. Without a problem, we cannot start a research. If we do not have a problem in our life, why will we inquire about the solution? So, due to that, a problem is needed. Second thing is review of related literature. That means whatever the problem is, about that any previous research is done or not, any journal is published about that previous problem or not. So we have to study vastly from the journals, from the books, from anything that is conducted about the particular problem. The next thing is formulation of hypothesis. So what is hypothesis? Hypothesis is a tentative solution of a problem. So what might be the solution of the problem? That is called formulation of hypothesis. We have to formulate various hypotheses or various solutions regarding the problem. Next is preparing the research design. Research design, we can say, a blueprint or a map to conduct the whole research. In here we take care of what is our population, what is our sample, what will be our data collection tools, and where we collect our data. The next steps is data collection. Here we utilize various tools to collect data from the selected samples. The next one is data analysis. Here we analyze the data whatever is collected from the samples. And the last steps is interpretation and a report writing. When we got the data, we will conclude or we will reach in a conclusion and then write a report. This is just a simple procedure. In the next class, I will define each and every steps in a briefly way. Thank you so much.